So this is very interesting thing here. We are looking at isometric checking cycle without using any paper. Okay, so in past project we have never done such a thing, but we can plan this thing. So paperless isometric checking, all the extraction, checking, comment incorporation, rechecking and issuing, everything on PDF files. Okay, comment incorporation at every stage helps in getting final product. ISO coordinator plays an important role at all the stages to complete the checking cycle. So this is how something we can do. So let us look into few benefits, like there is no paper, easy to track, very easy to locate, very easy to search, very easy to share with people, can be commented at same time. Okay, a same sheet can be given to stress and layout team and they can comment on same particular sheet. There are so many ways to do this, we'll discuss in detail. So what we can do, I mean, let us try to first understand there are 4 stages: first stage, backdraft stage, back checking stage, IFC stage. So stages are same, we are not compromising with the quality, with the checking cycle, everything will be same. Just we need to understand who are the stakeholders at each and every stage. So in first stage, once isometrics are extracted from the system, so checkers will be involved. So that means things should move to checkers in this cycle. First stage, once isometric are extracted by a modeler and they have handed over to isometric coordinator to proceed further, then these two are the checkers are the main stakeholder here. These sheets will go to checker, whether it is layout checker or stress team checker, and what we are doing, we are receiving input from them. Similarly in backdraft stage, there are checkers, whatever we have received from checkers, it will go to modelers and we will receive something from modelers. We'll look into the flowchart also in detail, flowchart in next slide. We are just trying to understand who are the stakeholders at various stages. In backdrafting, checkers are not involved, only modelers are involved. In back checking, checkers are involved, modelers are not involved, because whatever we have received from modeler, it is going to checkers. We are discussing this so that we can understand the flow, we can plan the folder structure where all the PDF files can be kept and referred by different stakeholders. And at IFC stage, checkers and modelers both are involved, because if any comment is there, then again it will go back to modelers, otherwise it will be issued. So this kind of scenario will be there where 4 stages are there and different stakeholders are there. Here checkers, here modelers, then checkers and modeler both. So we need to keep in mind these stakeholders so that we can plan folder structure accordingly. And isometric coordinator will always play an important role, because he is the only person who will be dealing with all the stakeholders at every stage. Okay, so this is something we need to keep in mind while planning the folder structure and flowchart for paperless isometric checking cycle. So let us see how the flow chart is there for different stages and different type of flow movement from one point to another. So let's start with the flow chart. So let us try to look at the flow chart, how things will be moving from one point to another. As in most of the project, we plan this isometric phase parallel to our design phase. Okay, we cannot isolate this phase from other design activities which are going on in any piping project. So we are assuming here we have 2 teams with us. One is design team, another is isometric team. In design team, we have all the team members who are particularly working into design activities. Model updation is there, all the IDC closure, everything will be going on. Small bore piping, modeling, everything will be going on parallelly. At the same time, we have isometric team where ISO coordinator is there, ISO 3D modelers are there, ISO checkers are there. So these all stakeholders shall be coordinated with the help of ISO coordinator. So ISO coordinator will be the interface point between design team and isometric team. Now to start getting input for first check, there are 2 scenarios. One, we get information from area owner. Okay, if area owner is there, they are confident enough to give us few sheets which we can float into isometric checking cycle for the first stage checking. Okay, this is one scenario. One, that is first stage isometrics are extracted by design team and handed over to isometric coordinator for further checking. Second scenario is when design team is not touching the isometrics, but isometric team will extract first stage isometric. In that scenario, if any modeler from design isometric team extract the isometric for first checking, those isometric list, those isometric PDF files will go to design team for their approval, for their stamping, just to prove that these sheets are okay with design teams, and these sheets are good to go for checking for the first stage. That approval will be required from design team. So anyhow, if we have two teams or we are having one team, we need approval workable sheets for first round of checking. That is the main agenda here. Once these workable sheets are circulated through isometric coordinator, then the first check stage starts. Okay, now we are thinking about paperless working. When everybody is sitting at home, we have no printer, we have no scanner with us, we receive first set of PDF files from isometric coordinator. Okay, then what is happening? We'll discuss two things here. One is folder structure, how we can plan the folders, and how information will flow from one point to another. So once, suppose isometric coordinator receives 100 sheets for first check stage, okay, he will allocate a lot number to these 100 sheets. Okay, and there will be starting of first check stage. For that, what will be happening? We have to create 4 folders. There will be one common folder for lot number. Inside this lot number, this folder, there will be a folder called first check stage. There will be a folder backdraft stage. There will be a folder back check stage and IFC stage. So these 4 folders will be there under this folder. Okay, now when we are starting first check stage, what is happening? We are creating these 4 folders inside this folder, which anyhow is associated with this particular main folder. All these folders will be inside this, all these folders will be inside this. So let us see what is happening here now. Once a lot number is allocated to those 100 sheets, that 100 sheets will be copied here in this folder, to checker and to stress. 2 different folder we are copying the first set of sheets which we receive for isometric checking. So these will be copied here, these will be copied here. We are giving parallel to both the stakeholders, to stress as well as layout checking. Now ISO coordinator will allocate a folder number, lot number, and will copy all these sheets into these 2. Along with that, what he will do, he will send an email to checker, to stress team, mentioning the folder path, lot number, number of sheets. All 100 sheets which were extracted for first checking will be in the form of PDF, will be saved in these 2 folders, and along with the list and the folder paths, it will be shared with both the stakeholders. Prior to that, ISO coordinator will make an entry into isometric tracker with this lot number, with the first stage, date given, checker's name, stress team name. Okay, whatever name he is allocating, to those people only these sheets will go. Then once this checker and stress, they check the isometric, on if they make any comment on PDF file in this same folder, they can copy those commented copies into this folder, Once they comment, once they copy the commented copies here in these 2 folders, they will send an email to isometric coordinator, like they have checked list of sheets and path of folder. They will send an email to isometric coordinator. So now once the out of 100, suppose 10 sheets are checked by one checker, 10 sheets are checked by another checker, and out of 100 only 50 sheets are checked, and out of 100 only 50 sheets are checked. These 50 we have with us, with this isometric coordinator. He has to match the common sheets, and those common sheets, list of common sheets and the folder path will be shared with the modeler for backdrafting stage. So he will keep on tracking how many sheets he has received from checker, how many sheets he has received from stress, through email only. Keep on updating the tracker also. Whatever balance is there, we can communicate with checker as well as stress regularly. whatever we receive from both the stakeholders, and whatever common sheets are there where both the stakeholders have commented, those sheets will go to Isometric Coordinator and he will pass it to modeler. Once the modeler starts, now we are not making this new folder. Isometric Coordinator will share these two folder path only along with the list of sheets which this modeler has to work. So this new folder we are not creating. This is just a representation here. In backdraft stage we are having one folder only from modeler. Okay. Once this modeler updates these two checkers comment, he will create a folder here from modeler under this lot number only. There will be a folder under backdraft stage. We are talking about backdraft stage. He will update the sheets and place these PDF files here, and he will send an email to Isometric Coordinator to the list of sheets and the folder path. Then Isometric Coordinator will update the tracker and share the information with checkers and area owner. Okay, why area owner is here? Up to backdraft stage, whatever changes are done by isometric team, we are talking about two different teams, one is design team, one is isometric team. If design team has made some changes, then area owner will be aware of those changes. If design isometric team has made any changes, those will be captured in these sheets. So both the alignment has to be done at this stage only. So these sheets will be shared with area owner also, so that if they have any comment, if they have any observation, if they want to add something, they can intimate at this stage. So these will be shared parallelly, but this folder path along with the list of sheets will be shared with the checkers. So checkers will look into their previous comments. If they want to add any new comment, then those can be done at this stage. Then once it is done, they will put it into this folder. This will be there under backcheck stage, from checker, from stress. Once we can do here parallelly, like you can give it to stress as well as layout checker. Both these stages can be done parallelly or series. This may be project to project, we can decide, but these has to be looked into by stress team also. So once this is checked by stress as well as layout, they will copy the commented copies or without comments copied here and send an email to Isometric Coordinator that these many sheets have been checked and the commented copies are kept at this path. So we Isometric Coordinator will again update the tracker based on all the information, number of sheets whatever were given, to whom these were given, and whatever sheets he has received, all those things will be updated in the isometric tracker. So once these checking comments are received at backcheck stage, these two folders will be referred by the modeler with the help of an email from Isometric Coordinator mentioning the number of sheets, list of sheets, and the stage, backcheck stage, will be given to all these modelers. Once these comments, if any, received at this stage are there, then these are updated, then the modeler will copy all the updated files in the from modeler at IFC stage. This will be considered as IFC stage. These are the final output we have received after checking, after incorporating everything, whatever is there, this will be there in this folder. Now to conclude these sheets, what Isometric Coordinator will do, first he will update the isometric tracker, then he will pass on the folder path to all the stakeholders, whether it is checker, stress team, area owner, area lead, team lead. This is the final output. Everybody who want to look into it, this is the stage when they can look into the same folder. If they have any comment, then okay, otherwise if they have any comment, then it will go to this modeler and he will update, and this will come back to this stage. So once this is all stages are closed, the Isometric Coordinator will declare these are the IFC sheets which are ready and these are good to go for fabrication team. So this is the final stage. This is how we are maintaining all these folder structures, 4 here, 1 here, 2 here, and so this many folders we have to create for each and every lot. Okay, so things can move like this way. So all this can plan according to this flow chart. So without taking any print, without scanning anything, we can execute this isometric checking cycle. and it is really very useful because there is it is very easy to track the sheets, easy to track the comments, easy to locate things by checkers, by modelers, by stress team, by area owner. At any stage we can track it, we can maintain the records. So this is very useful thing which we have learned during this COVID pandemic. So this is how we can execute isometric checking cycle while sitting at home, sitting at remote location without using printer and scanners.